So, right now I'm with Jessie. We're both filming at the same time. So, and then Jessie introduce me.
Okay, so hi guys. Today I'm with my friend Allie. We're having a sleepover. I'm really excited, and
we will be posting something at 12 a.m. if you guys are still awake for New Year's, because it's New Year's Eve.
Yeah, and we might be staying up until 3 a.m. So, because that's like 3 hours after that. So we're gonna see if we can stay up for 3 hours after New Year's. So if you guys want to do that, then better follow us on Instagram, because you won't be able to do that. Because we're kind of like Deal Devils. And today we're going to be doing a slime haul.
Oh, one popped open. This one popped open.
So, we're going to be showing you our slimes right now. First, I'm going to pick a slime. We're going to close our eyes.
We can't show you all the slimes yet.
So, yeah.
That's not all the slime.
I'm going to pick a slime almost right now when the other slimes come. And we're not going to mix them around. I'm probably not going to know where they are, because I don't really remember good.
Jessie, what happened to that? What happened to the purple one?
Purple one? This one?
No, you remember the big purple one? That was in the bag?
I think it's up there. I remember I put it somewhere over here.
Go into Gene.
Oh, I was just looking for a slime with my friend Allie. So,
it's fine. We have enough.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to pick one right now. I'm going to close my eyes, and I'm going to pick one. Wait, let me make sure I don't remember. Okay, I'm thinking this. Is that you trying making?
No, I'm going to go like this and scan and tell me what to stop. Okay. You only get to pick one slime out of there, okay? One slime.
No, but this is a whole bucket, Allie.
No, but there's 3 slimes inside, right? So you only get to pick one slime.
I made a cotton candy slime myself.
She gets to pick one slime because there's 3 slimes in here.
I have my cotton candy slime, my pink slime.
Okay, so what one do you want to do?
Stop it. Let me mix it up.
What do you want to do? The blue one. So take the blue out.
Wait, no, not the blue, not the blue.
What one do you want then?
The purple.
Which one? Cotton candy one in the middle?
The middle.
Okay, so we're just
getting
it
we're
out.
just
You have a smaller hand, so you can fit your hand in there.
Yeah, wait, I just need to pull up my hand. So we have all different kinds of slimes. And yeah. So we don't cry if we don't get the slime we want. We're big, and we don't care if we don't get the right slime we want.
Smells weird. Okay, so okay, first we're gonna be doing is no, it's fine.
Allie, I hate dirt in my slime.
Oh my god, it's fine.
No, it isn't.
Okay, so we're gonna be doing satisfying moment with her camera. So put it down on the ground. And we're gonna shoot up the same time. Oh, sorry, guys.
And next we're going to be trying to do a bubble. Sometimes we can also do bubbles.
But they can't.
Okay, well, I guess I kind of did a little bubble. The last thing is to see how it stretches. I'm going to stand up and let's see it stretch.
She's all the way up there. She's all the way up there. Sorry, guys. Okay, so that's good. So now we're good. Okay, so next I'm going to have to pick a slime. So, nothing in there. Okay, so you want to put this back?
Yeah.
So we have to put the slime back.
I have to put the slime back, and my mom told us to clean. I need to fit it in there, because sometimes it gets inside the other slimes, Allie.
I got it. Don't worry.
So, I'll help too, because it's my slime anyways. But some of it's hers. Oh, I think my thing just went off. I think my camera just went off. Let me make sure.
did it.
Yes, I have to do it. Hey guys, if you saw in time last video, we were doing slime. The next one is Allie's turn. It goes off at a certain time. I never know when, but
At 5 minutes. Okay, so let's bring all the slime back, everything. Okay, so now you're gonna have to move my hand. Can't see. Stop. Okay. Okay. So I got this. Oh, that's this one. Okay. So I got this slime right here.
And for
It's not like slime.
And for New Year's Eve, we're going to be taking like pictures of us inside of crop tops probably. So we're going to be wearing crop tops.
Okay, but this smells like grape. It's not like slime. It's just like cloud slime kind of.
Like kind of like cloud fluff.
It's cloud slime. But yeah. It's not
It
like real
doesn't
slime.
it doesn't do like what mine does, but like it can like kind of like.
So I'm gonna be doing ASMR. So ready? Okay, this is a quick one. I'm done. Now it can be Jesse's turn again.
So yeah, see you inside.
Okay.
Okay,
so,
guys, I'm right back. Okay, I just was checking because we have gingerbread.
yeah, let's bring a little bit so we can eat some.
Eat.
Hey, that's mine.
For sure.
Okay. Once we're done with the slime, we have to take it out. But we got some.
Wait, you also take them.
I took it out.
That's mine. It's okay. It's okay.
You ready?
So under that. Oh yeah, I got a glow slime. I have a glow slime. It's supposed to be glow into the dark, but it isn't, which is really sad. But it's kind of like the slime right here. So let's move all the slime out of the way so you can see. Make sure there's no dirt and all the dirt. Hey, just one.
Mama, my memory's full.
That's fine.
Oh, I know why the memory's so full.
Why?
You have lots of, pictures in here. Okay, let's get on with the video.
I have some in my life.
Okay.
So that was just nothing. I just told her a secret that none of you can know. Seriously, none of you.
I'll tag her channel down below.
Yeah, and then you'll be able to see those pictures, which is really embarrassing.
Okay. So,
So,
that was the slime. Was kind of,
it's kind of like
crappy. Okay. So next, let's bring all the slimes back in. Except for that one, because you just missed the cast behind you. Okay. So,
I'm not. Wait, I have to hold your hand.
hey, no, you can't do
I
that.
thought you were so they're down on it.
Stop.
Right here.
Ah. Crap.
It's okay because that one like kind of like bacon cartoons, so I'll like crunchy and cool. By the way, I love gingerbread, aka
Okay, what?
aka gingerbread are the best.
Okay, so this isn't really slime. Called store-bought slime.
Everybody knows store-bought slime from Dollar Tree is the worst, right?
Look at this. But it is really jiggly.
But there's better slime that's pink, green, and stuff like that. But it's kind of like putty, so do not get anything from Dollar Tree. Worst. So do not get anything from there. Even if it's for $1.
Okay. Your turn. You're supposed to tell me to stop, but okay. Let me open it for you, because I'll take it out for you.
without my thing. So, slime here.
There you go. Now you can see the slime.
It's like really glittery, but you know, it's not that stretchy. It's okay though, because I made it.
It's, you know, and it's not that pokeable, but it's fine.
But you can also hear something. I'll put it close to the camera.
Okay.
Jiggly.
Okay, so let's put it back.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
You guys did not see that.
So now we got 2 slimes here. See, these are the 2 slimes we have. She did. Okay, so now, let me grab my hand. I can't see. Stop.
Okay? Yep. Got it. Okay,
I get to pick one.
Not the cotton candy slime, because I don't want that one. I don't want that one to get mixed up.
I'm not gonna mix it up. Look, ready? Oh, this feels so weird.
Please, Allie.
Look, ready? Okay, fine. I didn't mix it up. Don't
That's the slime that